All right, what's up, you guys? Rob back with another video. Today, just a quick one. I did a stupid thing and scratched my front seat, so I want to show you guys how I fixed it. It actually came out pretty good, so check it out. Coming right up. Yeah, so pretty sure I had one of these guys in my back pocket, and it put a nice scratch in the seat, and I'll show you a picture of that. And I actually figured, what the heck, I'm gonna try to fix it because I'm a little anal, and I of course couldn't live with a scratch in the seat, so I figured let me try to grab something that might fix it. So I found this thing on Amazon, and it's a professional DIY leather and vinyl repair kit. My seats are white, so I didn't really have to mix any colors, but it comes with a whole bunch of colors and a mixing chart and everything. I'll show you what's inside. This is less than 20 bucks. Alright, so here's everything that comes with this kit. I'll show you the boxes here. You get the color mixing chart underneath. You get all the colors of the repair solution, I guess. I don't know what it's kind of like, a paint almost. You get a little brush, you get this little spatula to apply it with, a little container to mix your color in, and you get some material. So like if your seat's actually torn, you can put this material underneath the cut, and then you use this stuff to fill it. So it's kind of like a backing, I guess. I didn't, luckily, luckily this thing did not go through my seat. It just carved a line in it, which wasn't coming out. I actually thought it was dirt at first, and I keep scrubbing and scrubbing, it's not coming out. And then I was like, okay, I think that's actually a scratch. And I looked closer, and it was, sure enough, a scratch right through the finish down to the material underneath. Anyway, I didn't really have to mix it. Maybe I could have gotten it slightly closer, but I just used the white that came right out of the bottle here. And it worked really well, and I let it dry for about overnight. But apparently this stuff can actually do some pretty intense repairs. Luckily I didn't have to, as I said, but I'm going to show you how the seat came out, and you be the judge of what you think. For under 20 bucks, it might save you. So let's check it out. All right, you see that? Yeah, no, neither do I. Because it used to be, oh, actually you can see that? It's just a little bit brighter white here, maybe. And at a certain angle, I think I can see it. The scratch was right here. But unless you're looking for it, like if you're back here at this angle, I don't see it. And I only really can notice it like when I'm out in the bright sun. And then it's only whether I'm really looking for it. So lately I'm just checking to see if I can see it, and it's like, oh yeah, I guess I can see it if I look right there in the bright light. But like right now, just with the ambient lighting of the car, you can't see it at all. I mean, it's for all intents and purposes gone. And that was last week that I put it on, so I have been driving it and sitting in it and wearing at it with my my butt, and it's still fine. Like, it takes the wear. So far so good. So yeah, I think for under 20 bucks, if you got a small repair that's needed on your nice white seats, or even your black ones, or any color. If you look in the Amazon reviews for this product, there's a guy that had some antique green car that he patched it up. He mixed the color and patched up the rip, and you should see by the photos, like, this is just a reviewer, and he's did a really nice job on it. Don't think I'd be that confident to do that kind of work on the car myself, but that kit's capable of it apparently. So you know, your mileage may vary, but check it out. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to access it really quickly and easily. So that's all for this one. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope it helps somebody else out there. Take care. See you guys. Alright guys, that's all for this one. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care, everybody. Hey guys, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everybody for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, click that link up there. Really helps me out and keeps me motivated to make more great content for you guys. And if you want to see more from this channel, click that link over there, or click that link over there. If you made it this far, guys, I owe you a drink. We'll see you next time. Thanks again.